But eventually, once I got to like the third or fourth video, I knew at that point, this guy, he knows what he's doing, and he's vested in this.
Hey guys, it's Angelo Christian. I have a very exciting story. And so, I've been doing this for over 15 years, and we've helped tens of thousands of people to get their real estate funding, whether they're trying to buy a home, whether they're an investor trying to get a line of credit, a family trying to buy a house, a veteran, a first-time buyer, millennial, or a seasoned investor buying an apartment complex, or a business owner trying to refinance. I've been doing this for, since 2004. And I've had the honor and privilege to help, over 13,000 people all over the United States. And so the other day, I got a call out of the blue from one of my clients, Mr. Andre Turner, and I'm privileged and blessed today. He's actually going to be on the show today on a call-in talking about his story. And so I've, and he told me flat out, man, hey, Angelo, you've literally changed my life. And I've been told this by thousands of people over the last 15 years. And so I just wanted to put this out there. And I said, hey, Andre, would you be on the show today and talk about, what happened with you? What was your side effect? So this man, he's going to tell his story today, how he literally transformed his credit and his life. His credit score shot up over 200 points, and now him and his lovely wife are going to be buying a home, a brand new home in Las Vegas, an awesome $300,000 home. We have some pictures of the houses that are in Las Vegas right now that they're going to be looking at, and this whole transformation that's going to be happening with this family, all right? So that is the power of what we're doing. We are transforming people's lives, taking them from where they are with their credit and boosting up their credit, helping them to accomplish their dreams and their goals for their life to get into a home. And we do this for people all over the country every single day. So I'm so honored and privileged today to have Mr. Turner on the call today. He's going to call in. You actually get to hear his story. So let's reach out to him and see what he says. Let's give Mr. Turner a call today. Yeah, if you're out there, guys, and you're looking to get help with buying your home or invest in real estate, and you need that first step, that guidance.
Hello.
Mr. Turner.
Yes, sir. How are you doing?
Hey, it's Angelo Christian. What's going on, my friend?
Man, happy to talk to you.
Oh,
talk to you. Very excited.
Hey, you're talking live, man, on YouTube. You're on the air, bud.
I'm on the air?
Yeah,
okay,
you're
that's
on
great.
The air. Yeah, so
let's do it.
I told the audience, I told them a little earlier that, you called me on Monday night, and you told me your story, and it just brought a huge smile to my face because of what the transformation of what's happened to you, and now that you guys are going to be buying your home in Las Vegas, and this whole thing with your credit, man. So we get thousands of people every single day that call my office, and a lot of them are skeptical, they're scared, they don't know where to go, they don't know what to do. And I thought about it that night when I was going to bed. I was thinking about you, and I said, I got to tell the people about Andre Turner. And I am a man of faith. I believe deeply in God and helping people, and I've been doing this since 2004. So I'm so honored and privileged that you're, going to share kind of what's happened with you and the future and where we're going. So
yeah. Well, thank you. I'm honored, honestly, for you, because the whole concept. I was just going through YouTube, and I saw it, and I just looked at it, and I was one of those skeptic individuals. I made an initial contact with you, but I kind of backed out because I wasn't sure. But as I watched it, and like I said, in October 8th, my TransUnion was 440. My Equifax was 440.
That's insane.
My Experian was 445. That's why October 8th. So you gave a letter, a sample letter, and you said, so I copied that letter, and I just put my information in there, and I submitted it, and it didn't go down. They didn't drop in 30 days, but they sent me a letter in 30 days stating they needed 15 more days. And I guess to cut to the chase, by December, my TransUnion went up to 595. My Equifax went to 666.
That's awesome.
And my Experian went to 636.
Yeah, I love that, man. That is incredible, man.
that's literally, you do the math on that one. That was like within 45 days. I give it 45 days maximum.
Wow.
And that much, I got that many over 200 points.
Yeah.
But here's the other thing that I didn't anticipate that came along with this was I couldn't get a credit card under any circumstances.
Right.
So when I found out about the First Progress, we got that started, and it sure did. It boosted me up even more. And what it did, by my points going up higher and me following your instructions, it opened the door for me to get more credit. Right. Now I have a Capital One credit card, unsecured, for $1,000, and now I have a Discovery card, unsecured, for $1,000. And those are the things that I didn't anticipate. Right. I was just looking at the numbers and the points.
Right.
But that came along with it as well.
Exactly.
So I can't wait till I get to the 700.
No, that's
and
you know, I mean, that is awesome, man. I mean, I got to commend you, man, for having the faith to step out on the line and take action and believe. And now you're seeing the side effects of that. And now, the next chapter here, for me is I getting you guys, you and your wife, into your new home.
Yeah.
And I'm so honored and privileged to be able to help you guys with this. Tell me about like the type of house. I know that you guys are going to be transitioning to Vegas. I mean, when do you tell me about that.
I guess the type of house is just a single family home. They have some very nice. I live in Los Angeles right now, and I'm in Woodland Hills, which is a decent area. But I paid $2,500 for a 2-bedroom place here.
Oh my God!
And my thing, I was looking at the real estate in Las Vegas. For $300,000, you can live in a house.
Oh, absolutely.
That would be worth almost $1 million in LA.
Yeah.
So
no,
I'm 62 years old, and I just want to retire there.
Right. No, that's awesome. I mean, that we're the bank, and then we also do the real estate too. We have some awesome houses in Vegas that I was going to send over to you. And then actually, while I'm talking to you, there's some pictures of some of the homes that we have that are available in Vegas. Because I agree with you. The dollar can go a lot further in Vegas than it can in LA.
Further.
And you guys deserve to own your home. The fact that you can even hang in there and pay $2,500 a month rent shows your commitment to making your payment. But let's turn you into a homeowner, a real estate investor, and plug that money into your equity, something that you own that you can call your own, and quit making that landlord rich so you can retire nicely and have a great life, right?
Exactly.
Yeah. That's really that's the next step. And what I'm seeing here in the vision for your future is, now that we got the credit right, now we got to get the house and that part right. And make this next step, right? That next leap. Just how you did in the beginning, you were a skeptic about the credit. You took that little leap of faith, and you made it real. And then this is the next chapter here, right, Andre? That's
right. I believe now. Like I said, I was skeptical. I was one of those people that called and hung up on the answering service, and But eventually, once I got to like the third or fourth video, I knew at that point, this guy, he knows what he's doing, and he's vested in this, and I like what you're doing. So I just said, I want to be a part of that team. I want to get involved with that.
Yeah.
And like I said, you didn't even know I existed. I was just watching your videos and doing it myself, and it actually worked. I saw it happen. Yeah. So that's what kind of got me all the way in, when I realized it actually worked.
Yeah. It's awesome, man. I'm very humbled and honored and privileged and, blessed to be able to talk with you. And you're right. You called me out of the blue, 4 days ago. And like I said, there's something hit me like how God is, or that something comes to you and say, hey man, I gotta tell the people about Andre Turner, because it's such a beautiful story. And now the next chapter here is, getting your family into your home, and I'm going to do everything in my power to do that. And so I'm very excited. And again, it's an awesome story. And the fact that you took your credit score up over 200 points
It can be proven. I'll give you my social, and you can actually look at it yourself. It actually happens.
No, that's phenomenal.
So I don't, like I said, I'm not vested with you. I don't know you, so I don't have any reason to make up anything for you. I just met you literally on YouTube, and I didn't even, like I said, I never contacted you, and just persistently, I just kept watching and I did it one day. I did the certified letter. I did even with the medical write-offs, even all of that. I had medical bills that I just called the people. And a couple of them, they didn't even charge me. They just said, no problem, we'll delete it. Literally, just from calling them.
That's awesome.
So it's all been, everything so far has worked. So even with the house situation, I'm not concerned about it anymore. I'm accepting it as a done deal. I know we talked about some numbers that I got to work on, and that's what my focus is. But as far as making it happen, I believe that it's going to happen.
There you go. I will. So, I'll do everything in my power to get you guys in your house, and I'm committed to making that happen. Let me ask you this: if you could, share some wisdom with the people out there, all over America that are, still healthy skeptics and kind of concerned, what would you tell the people?
Well, I would say just try it. It cost me a certified letter. It cost me. I have a printer, and most people have printers. Just print out a simple letter. It's right there. Literally, you show it on the video. You just type it off, and it'll cost you maybe $13, and take it to the place and just wait. Now that was the longest 30 days for sure. But when I got the notice back and the final notice, and I saw it, just try it. Just try it. You can't lose if you spend $10. That's like going to McDonald's or Starbucks.
Right.
And it'll happen. It'll happen.
Well, and that's the whole point, right? What do you have to lose? I mean,
exactly. That's what I'm saying. It's a little effort. I don't want to paint a picture that is just like chewing bubble gum and tying your shoe at the same time. But it's not difficult, and it's not costly. You just go and send 3 certified letters, and wait, and that's it, and it works. The program, I think, will work for anyone in any situation if they would implement it. It's the implementation of the program that's where the magic happens. But you got to be willing to put some effort forward. Now, what attracted me even more so to you was your style is, listen, I'll fix your credit for you. And guess what? I also finance home. That's a one-stop shop.
Right. Exactly.
And that's a beautiful idea, an awesome concept. And whoever developed it, I don't know if it's yours, but that's an awesome concept. It really is.
Well, no, it is, man, because you're right, because the banks are usually so strict and they'll deny everyone if they don't have perfect credit. And then the credit repair companies, they really don't know how banks operate and mortgage requirements, and so normally what they do is they just put everything into dispute, and that doesn't really work. It's counterproductive to when you're buying a home. So you're right, it's a perfect recipe because what we're doing, we are the bank and we're helping you with your credit, so we know what to do to get your credit right so you can get the home. So
there was 2 other major points that I got from you and that I never heard of prior to watching the video. I didn't know the significance of credit utilization. That was a game changer for me right there. And I just, I never knew about that. No, I never heard it. And so now the goal is to keep everything under 25%. And that's when I noticed my points are at its highest.
Yeah, and you're on track, man, to get to 700. So I'm, like I said, I'm very happy that you called in today, and I'm so excited to take you guys to the next step. So, man, thank you so much, and I won't take any more of your time, Mr. Turner. I'm really honored and privileged, and if you need anything from me, I'm always available. You got my direct number. So, guys, this is Andre Turner. Thank you so much for calling in today, and if I can do anything else, just message me, and take care, and God bless you, man.
All right, thank you, man, very much.
Thank
you very much.
All right, later on. All right, bye-bye.
Bye.
Guys, that was Mr. Andre Turner. I mean, it is an absolute miracle, okay? And we've done this for tens of thousands of people. This man's credit score went up over 200 points. You heard him. This is a real customer. It's a real person that's going to own his home with him and his wife in Las Vegas. All right, we do the real estate. We do the credit. We do the insurance. We do the title. It's an all-in-one close with Angelo Christian Mortgage. So wherever you are out there in the world, if you're trying to get real estate funding, if you're an investor trying to get a credit line, you're trying to buy an apartment complex, you're trying to refinance, cash out your business, you're a veteran trying to get funding, you're a first-time buyer millennial, we want to help you to get the funding all over the United States. Call Angelo Christian, 832-431-6331. I don't care if you own equity and you have bad credit, you will not be denied if you have equity in your property for a refinance. If you have the ability to pay $2,500 a month in rent, I'll get you funding for your house. Okay, I can figure it out. I don't care what your credit score looks like. If you got a good paying job and you can pay the mortgage, you can pay the rent, I'll figure out a way how to get you into your home. If you're a veteran and you got bad credit but you can pay rent, I'll figure out how to get you into your home. I don't care what your credit situation is. If you can pay the mortgage, you got a good paying job, I'll find a way to get you into a house. I can fix your credit for you. So give me a call. Call Angelo Christian, 832-431-6331. Again, 832-431-6331. That is the advantage. Angelo Christian will work with you to help you to structure your loan so you can get a real approval and actually close. Not like a fake pre-qualification where your deal falls apart in underwriting. I will pre-approve and underwrite your file for you and close your loan. Call Angelo Christian or click on that link below to get signed up. You get me directly. It's not a third party. It's not a call center. I work with you. You heard Mr. Turner's story. That's real proof in the pudding. I want to help you guys too to make it happen. Wherever you are, California, Las Vegas, Florida, Texas, Oklahoma, Missouri, Carolina, Philadelphia, whatever. I want to be able to help you guys to get you the funding that you need and deserve. You deserve to own real estate and invest. Quit wasting money on rent. Make yourself rich. Get into the real estate game and start investing. Call Angelo Christian today, 832-431-6331. Share this out into the universe, into the world, guys. Our mission is to have 250,000 subscribers on YouTube. Comment and chat down below. Share this on Instagram. Tell anyone that you know and care about to get this message out there, how we can help you to boost up your credit and get you into your home today. Call Angelo Christian. Take care. Guys, peace out. God bless, and make the most of yourself with your life. Bye-bye. Hey guys, click here to subscribe to get great new content every single day. Click on that bell right there to get push notifications. Click to subscribe to get great new content from Angelo Christian every single week. Click here.